Hi friends, today we will be dealing with idioms part 2. This video consists of mainly 20 idioms which are most important. They can be asked in our bank exams. Okay, we will go through this. Okay, see friends, it is flagging the dead hearts, which means beating the dead hearts. Okay, you can use this idiom as watering a dead plant is like flagging the dead horse. Okay, I think you understood it. Watering a dead plant is like flagging the dead horse, which means of no use. Okay. Okay, pay through the nose, that is paying too much for something. Okay, pay through the nose, that is paying too much for something. Okay, for example sentence, we had to pay through the nose for this insurance policy. Through this word pay through the nose, we can understand that the insurance policy requires a much more money. Okay, spill the beans, which means reveal the secret. Okay, spill the beans like means nothing but opening the bean. Okay, for example sentence, don't spill the beans, it is supposed to be a secret. Okay, don't spill the beans means don't reveal the secret, it must be a secret. I think you have understood this. Okay. Okay, Hobson's choice, which means having only one choice. Okay friends, Hobson's choice, which means having only one choice. A bolt from the blue, this is an idiom which means it is a great surprise. Here we have given a sentence, observe it. The news that Steve got selected in Harvard struck all his friends as a bolt from the blue, which means it is a great surprise to his friends. Okay, I think you understood this. A bolt from the blue, which means it is a great surprise. Okay friends, now die in harness, which means die in duty. Okay, many of our army in the wars die in harness, which means they will be dying in duty. Okay, I think you understood this also. Die in harness, which is die in duty. Okay, at a stone's throw, which means very near. Okay, we stayed at a beautiful hostel just a stone's throw from the beach, which means very near, very nearer to the beach. Okay, or else we can also use stone's throw from the beach. Okay, very near. At a stone's throw means it is very near. Okay, I think you understood this idiom also. Gift of gab, which means very much talkative. In the present days, we need much more communication skills to settle faster. Okay, for example sentence we can take as he is blessed with gift of gab. He is blessed with gift of gab, which means he is very much talkative so that he can convince others easily. Okay. Okay, this is our next idiom, that is feather one's own nest. Feather one's own nest. Okay, which means working hard to get the money. Okay, birds work very hard to build their nest. In the same way, the humans also work very hard to earn the money. Okay. Okay friends, I think you understood this. Feathers one's own nest, building their own nest or working hard to get the money. Okay. Scapegoat, which means punish unnecessarily. Okay, see here friends, for some others wrong, we will punish the other person, then we can treat him as scapegoat. which is nothing but punish unnecessarily. Okay. Okay, see here, at sixes and sevens, which means having confusion. He is having confusion at sixes and sevens. Okay, that means having no clarity. When he got selected for SBI PO and Canara Bank PO, he is at his sixes and sevens. That means having confusion to join in which bank. Okay. In the same way, I have also told you that at 11th hour, which means at the last moment or at the last minute. Okay, friends, at the 11th hour, at 11th hour. Okay, which means at the last moment or at last hour. Okay, friends, and in the same way, we have also another thing, he is at cloud 9. He is at cloud 9 when he got a job. Okay, which means cloud 9, that he is very happy. Okay, cloud 9 means he is very happy. Okay, friends, I think you have understood these idioms. And now next, at arm's length. At arm's length means at a very near distance. Okay, in and out, which means full details. Okay, I think you understood this. In and out, which means full details. Okay, bed of roses. Friends, when do we say his life is bed of roses? Which means his life is full of joys. Okay, he had no struggles. I have given even the example also. Note it. Making money is not a bed of roses. Okay, in these days, making money is not much simple, isn't it? Okay, I think you understood. Hot potato, which means very much popular. He is a hot potato in the news. He became very much popular. Okay, pull a leg back means discourage. Pull a leg, which means discourage. Okay, I think this is also very simple idiom. Okay, these are very simple. Be even with. Even, we can tell it to agree with. Okay, be even with, to agree with. Okay, maiden speech. Maiden means an important person, like first speech. We can tell that maiden speech means first speech. Okay, in the long run, which has the same meaning of from very beginning. Okay, in the lieu of, this is very important. In the lieu of, instead of. Okay, for instead of, we can also use in lieu of. Okay, friends. Of no avail, that is useless. Of no avail means useless. Before also I have told you, flagging the dead horse means beating the dead horse, which is of useless. So of no avail also gives the same meaning as useless. Okay, to hang back, to show unwillingness. What is the meaning of back? Means we'll be in our back, we'll be in the back of class when we don't have any interest to listen the class or interest to take the test. So we can use the idiom like to hang back, that is nothing but to show unwillingness. I think you understood this also. And coming to our next idiom, out of wood. Wood is a substance which is hard. Okay, out of wood means we are out of a thing which is hard, nothing but clear of danger or difficulties. Okay, we are out of danger or out of difficulties. Okay, friends, these are very simple idioms I have discussed, and also the most important idioms. Okay, once take the note of all this, and then thank you.